How to delete Safari history on iPhone. First is by opening your Safari app and then click on this book icon right here found on the lower right of your screen. And then make sure to click on history, which is the rightmost part, or this clock logo right here. Once you have done that, click on clear on the lower right corner of the screen, and then you may choose last hour, today and yesterday, or all history of your Safari. You may also close all tabs by clicking on the toggle button if you wish to, or not by clicking on the toggle button again. So click on clear history right here, and then now you have cleared your history on Safari. So that's it. That's how you can delete Safari history on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.